This is from chapter 2 of David Copperfield by Charles Dickens, and that word is menacing. Menacing is an adjective, and it means something looks like it could hurt you. It is used to describe something that looks dangerous, that's a little bit scary. Here's an example. John saw the dark clouds in the sky, and he was worried that a bad storm was coming. Instead of using all of these words, we can use the adjective menacing. Let's rephrase it. John saw the menacing clouds. So they're just not normal clouds. They're clouds that look dangerous, clouds that look scary, clouds that look like they're going to cause a big problem. Menacing clouds. Let's make a why question. So the clouds look menacing. The clouds look menacing. That's our sentence. Let's do past. The clouds looked menacing. How would you make a why question with that? Why? Why did the clouds look? Why did the clouds look? Why did the clouds look menacing? Why did the clouds look scary? Why did they look like they will cause a problem? Why did they look dangerous? Why did the clouds look menacing? And here's the answer: because they were big and dark. The clouds looked menacing. The clouds looked menacing because they were big and dark. The clouds looked menacing because they were big and dark. All right, here's another example. Mary felt very uncomfortable around the stranger. He looked like maybe he would hurt her. Let's change this phrase using the word menacing. Mary felt uncomfortable around the menacing stranger. When you use that word menacing, it sounds like he's going to cause problems. Something bad is going to happen because of him. He's menacing. The stranger looked menacing. Can you make a why question with that sentence? Why? Why did the stranger look? Why did the stranger look menacing? Why did the stranger look menacing? Okay, here's the reason. He had a black eye. Like maybe he gets into fights. He looked menacing because he had a black eye. He looked dangerous. He looked scary because he had a black eye. All right, let's move on.